guys, today I'm going to make a video on my trusty assistant, Fang. So, ready to see him? There he is. Hey Fang, how are you doing? Fang, got anything to say on YouTube? Okay, good. Because he's like under a bed. I had made a video before this and he hit the camera with his paw. He's just sitting under this bed. So, yeah, that's my trusty assistant, Fang. Oh, that's a big yawn there, Fang. You must be tired. Anyway, yeah, I also have a trusty assistant, Tiger, who I might make a video of. What are you looking at? What's that? I don't know. Oh! Oh! What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh. Fang, do that again. No? Okay, just lick yourself. You gonna do it? Wait, if I move this around, I think he's gonna attack it. No, okay. Okay guys, I just looked under this bed and he's gone. So, by the yawning, I think he might be sleeping on here. No, he's not. Okay. Well, let's see. So guys, here he is, lying in my bed. Can't really see him because of those that light over there. I'll shut them. So here he is. And I've got some stuff that we could do with him. So, I've got a ball here. I'll sometimes throw it for him. And I've got some bits of cat treats for him. Oh, he can smell it. This. So, first of all, I'll give him one. Is he gonna eat it? Yep, he loves it. Come on, Fang, come and get some more. You know you want it. Yeah, there you go. Right, first of all, I'm gonna teach him to jump. Fang, jump. No, don't just purr, jump. Good boy. Right, give him a treat. Right, make him jump again. Jump. Jump, Fang. Jump. Jump. Oh, Fang, I'm only going to give you food if you jump. Okay? Fang, that's a camera. Okay, jump. Come on. You know you want to. Okay, I'll do a bit lower. You tried to eat my finger. Maybe he needs a bit more training. He's trying to find the food. Right, Fang. Jump. Fang, look, I got a treat in my hand and I'm holding it up. I used to just have my hand up in the sky, but now Fang. Look at what I'm holding. You want that, don't you? Come and get it. Come and get it, Fang. Good boy. Here you go. Eat it. Oh, he's licking my hand. Okay, I'll just put it there. Fang, jump. Yeah, you did it. Okay, you get a treat. He's doing it now. Okay, let's see if I can do it just like this now. So my hand's like this. Fang. Jump. No, you don't just purr, you jump. Mom. No, I think I'll only do it if I have food in my hand. There we go. Okay. He jumped up and hit his paw on it anyway this time. Okay. Fangy, jump. Fang, jump. Come on. Good boy. Okay. My last 3 little treats. Oh. Okay. He wants them a lot. Don't you? He's licking my hand. Anyway, let's see if I can throw it up and he catches it. What? You're terrible. No, Fang, you don't get it. You don't get it. You don't get it if you don't catch. Fang. Fangy. Look what I got, Fang. And catch. No, you don't get it. Okay. Fang. No, wait. Go. Oh, that's terrible. Okay, Fang. Very last one. Just a fish, I think. I think that's meant to be a fish. I don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna make him jump. Can you jump? Good boy. And now I have got this. And I'm gonna make him fetch. Yep, he's fetching. Okay, let's see what else we can do. See, my bed's a bunk bed, look. If I throw it down here. Does he get it? He's looking at it. Oh, he found some food. No, I must have dropped that. What are you doing? Sorry about that. That was just Fang. He's looking for more food. Fang, I don't have any more. Okay, that's the end of our video today. See you next time. Goodbye. Oh, remember to like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. He loves it. Okay, bye.